Kia ora koutou, morena again. Rātu, it's Tuesday, it's a bright sunny day, and I've got Tamaiti Tortui here with me, sitting on the piano, ready to hear and join in with some Waiata for our Tuesday. So today we have 4 Waiata, 5, maybe 5 Waiata. Rima. So we're going to start with our hello song, and then we're going to sing Tēnā Koutou, and then we're going to sing Tihei Mauri Ora, and then we're going to sing Kia Koa, the Be Positive song, and lastly we will sing the Kite Song, the goodbye song. So some of these songs you know, some of these songs might be new, but you can join in. The Tēnā Koutou song is an echo song, so you can join in with me or sing after me. It's up to you. Anyway, let's join together singing our hello song. H-E-L-L-O, hello and away we go. H-E-L-L-O, hello and away we go. Kia ora to you, talofa to me, malo elele to everyone we see. Kia ora to you, pula to me, it's time to sing along with glee. H-E-L-L-O, hello and away we go. H-E-L-L-O, hello, aloha, whakalopalahiatu, and away we go. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed that one. We'll do that every day so you can get better and louder and stronger. Okay, so our next song is a song that Matua used to sing when he was at Kura. And it's an easy one for learning how to say Tēnā Koutou to everybody. So, Tēnā Koutou e hoa mā, kua tai mai nei I tēnei wā. Nō reira e hoa mā, kia ora rā koutou katoa. Here we go. Tēnā koutou e hoa mā, kua tai mai nei I tēnei wā. Nō reira rā e hoa mā, kia ora rā koutou katoa. Kuarongo hoki ahau, kuarongo hoki ahau, kuarongo hoki ahau, kei te haere mai koutou. Nō reira rā e hoa mā, kia ora rā koutou katoa, kia ora rā koutou katoa. I really enjoyed that song, and I hope you did too. Maybe you could play it back and see if you can find a family member to do the echo with you. So you lead the song, and then someone in your whānau echoes the song. See if you can get some harmony happening. It's a really cool song for helping you sing together and develop harmony. Here's a new song that I learned last week called Tihei Mauri Ora. I think it's an old song though, an old Waiata, but let's sing it together. It's called Tihei Mauri Ora. Tihei Mauri Ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tu ake karangatia, tu ake mana kitia, ngā iwi ki ora rā. And this song means let there be life, let there be life. to all the tribes of the land. Stand forth and be welcomed. Stand forth and be hosted. To all the tribes, greeting to you. To all the tribes, greeting to you. So to all our tribes, to all our whānau out there, greetings to you from my little bubble. Hope you're safe and happy in your bubble. Tihei Mauri Ora, Tihei Mauri Ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangitia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi ki orara. Ano! Tihei Mauri Ora, Tihei Mauri Ora, ngā iwi o te motu e. Tuake karangitia, tuake manakitia, ngā iwi kia orara. Ngā iwi kia orara. It's a great little uplifting song, isn't it? It's a cute little uplifting song saying, stand forth and be hosted and welcome to all the tribes of Aotearoa. Greetings to you. Okay, let's move on to Kia Koa, which is a song Matua wrote. It's the Be Positive song. Quite a few of you will know this, so you can join in. And it's important for us to remember at this time to try to stay positive, isn't it? Be positive and be happy, and smile and be kind to each other. So remember that when you're singing this song and after you sing this song. P is for positive, positive vibes. O is for oh, I'm happy inside. S is for smile from ear to ear. I is for interest in everything here. T is for thumbs up all the time. I is for including a rhyme. V is for very, very, very good mood. E is for everyone should eat good food. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Kia koa, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Kia koa, oh yeah. Let's try it from the top, but don't you stop. Maybe get someone in your whānau to join in. And B is for positive, positive vibes. O is for oh, I'm happy inside. S is for smile from ear to ear. I is for in good company here. T is for thumbs up all the time. I is for including the rhyme. V is for very, very, very good mood. E is for everyone should eat good food. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Kia koa, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Kia koa, oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't forget to do the kick at the end of that song, okay? Practice your air guitar. Awesome. Okay, our last song for today, for Rātu, is the Kite Song. I've renamed the song. Instead of the goodbye song, I'm calling it the Kite Song. Okay, so here we go. It's time for us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say goodbye, ka kite anō, my friend. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, that is what we say. Ka kite ano e hoa, I'll be on my way. It's time for us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say goodbye, ka kite, my friend. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, that is what we say. Ka kite ano e hoa, I'll be on my way. Ka kite koutou. Until tomorrow, we'll see you soon. Have a good day.